I said, God said to me, pray for him. And I prayed for him for 24 hours. And I then said, God, you need to tell me, why did I pray for this man? And a few days later, I had a friend of mine who was a journalist. The person came to me and said, you know what, the president was about to leave. I said, why? He said, because of what was going on. He sent his family out there, and then the next thing, the family's back. And the person did not know about my 24 hours of prayer. Then to myself, I said, what? Thank you, Lord, for giving me this feedback. As I had asked to say, please tell me as to why I've done that. Well, I also believe that if I had been told, or if I had not, back then I could have said, maybe I should not do that. But God just said to me, just pray.